In today's video, I'm going to have a follow-up review on my MGP caliper covers. It's been almost 3 years since I installed it, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion about it. I installed this caliper covers when my Civic is at 25,000 kilometers, and now it's at the 105,000 kilometers. That is a total of 80K in 3 years' time. So before I remove the rims and inspect the caliper covers, I'm going to get the brake temperature using this thermal camera while it's in a cool state. Okay, just for us to see how much heat can these calipers endure on a daily basis when I drive the Civic. Right now, the temperature is steady at 69 degrees Fahrenheit for the front wheel, and at the back is also at 69 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going outside to drive it for maybe at least 10 to 15 minutes and see where we at in terms of the temperature. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what's the actual temperature after driving for 15 minutes. Let's check the front driver wheel first. Right now it's calibrating. I see max at 147 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's steady at 144 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check the rear passenger wheel. I see 123. Now it's at 127. So front is basically hotter than the rear. It just makes sense because it's a front wheel drive. These calipers can withstand temperatures up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the melting point. The brake temperature is usually 140 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this caliper cover won't melt at all or overheat. As you can see, I painted the brake caliper first before I decided to purchase these MGPs for obvious reasons. It looks better and clean. And newly paint caliper are only good for a week or two, then you are going to regret you painted. So here it is. The covers doesn't have a dent or anything. Powder coating is still okay. It's not peeling or anything. Civic lettering are okay too, although there's a small scratch here, probably from stones. Other than that, it is still looking good. Okay, and let's check the back. I'll wipe it first. So far, the back is also looking good. The powder coating is holding up. No nicks or damage or anything. And for the rest of these caliper covers, I'm not gonna remove the tires. I will just show you how it looks from outside since there's enough space to view the caliper covers. And for my final thoughts, after 3 years in my Civic with this MGP caliper covers, I said it before and I'll say it again, it's quite expensive, but if you have an extra money to spare, then why not? These covers are worth it. I got a lot of compliments from other people. And the best thing that I liked about it, that this one is easy to clean. And that is all for today. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you on our next video.